younger, we all pictured what the future would look like. We imagined flying cars, robot maids. We considered far out space travel, maybe even some close encounters of the third kind. In reality, we're not quite that far off. Self-driving cars are the new automobile innovation, and flying cars could be closely behind. The Roomba is like a robot maid, and NASA is currently working on a mission to Mars as we speak. But one thing that is drastically different is retirement. People of your father's generation worked for one, maybe two companies their entire life. When they retired, they received a pension and Social Security. In other words, they had guaranteed income for life, and they lived slow-paced retirements for about 15 to 20 years. Picture your grandfather reclining in the rocking chair, overlooking the land behind his house. But things are different now. We all know that pensions have disappeared, the Social Security Trust Fund is slowly becoming overextended, and we're living longer, more active lives. And let's not forget inflation. If you retire today with $40,000 in retirement income, will you still be able to live off that same $40,000 in 25 years? Will it be able to buy what it does today? Of course not. As a financial planner for the last 20 years, I advise my clients to let go of the old ways of thinking. You will need just as much income in retirement as you did during your working years. And your income needs will affect how much you pay in taxes, how long your money lasts, and most importantly, it will determine the type of retirement that you will live. When you are planning for retirement, don't make estimates based on outdated rules of thumb. If you don't have a plan, now is the time to start. Click below to schedule a 15-minute phone call with me, and we'll find out if we can help guide you to make smarter financial decisions when it comes to your retirement. Just click the button below to schedule your phone call.